Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, want to share with you a few things I found today while I was shopping with my mom. We didn't have a whole lot of time. We probably had less than 2 hours because I had to pick up my granddaughter from school at 1 o'clock. But I knew I wanted to hit the big lots in my area. And I was looking for a buffalo check or anything with the little red truck. So I have to say I did pretty well walking into big lots. Now I almost missed out on this cute little red truck tray. I was getting ready to leave and I told my mom, let's go ahead and walk down the aisle one more time and see what I could find. And it was sitting on the bottom shelf, so I went ahead and put that in the cart. And I picked up these 2 candles that have the little red truck that say Merry Christmas. And I found these 2 snowman pillows, which I'm going to use these outside on my bench. And then I have the table runner. So that's going to go on my table in the kitchen, and I am going to go to Pier 1. They have a 3-tier galvanized tray that I'm going to use on top of the runner, and I'll decorate that for Christmas, and you'll see a video with that posted later on. And I can only find 1 dish towel, which they do get their trucks in Mondays and Tuesdays, so they will be unloading more Christmas stuff, so I'll check back again with them. I also found a little red truck. It's a plaque that hangs and says Merry Christmas. I'm not sure where I'm going to use this yet, but I'm sure I'll find a spot for it. I also came across these 2 outdoor rugs that are going to go in front of my 2 doors. And they also play music and they light up. So overall, I am super excited that I found all this stuff at Big Lots. And then I'm going to show you all the things I found that came from Kirklands. I was able to make it to one more store, and all these items came from Kirklands. Now what I will be doing with these items, I am going to be making 2 wreaths for my front door for Christmas, and I will be incorporating all these items that you see on my table. Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, going to take you shopping with me today. I am going to try to hunt down either the buffalo check fall or Christmas items along with the red truck. And I think it's going to be a real exciting, fun day, see what I can find. Now also, if you subscribe to my channel, I will be giving away a $50 gift card to your favorite store. So all I need is everyone to subscribe to my channel, and when I reach 300 subscribers, I will pick a winner and I'll be sending out a $50 gift card. So let's go shopping. Hey guys, I found a cart and we're at our first store, and it happens to be Big Lots. So let's go ahead and go inside and see what we can find. So I'm down one of the aisles in Big Lots, and I spotted the little red truck with the Christmas tree. It's a candle, and I believe these are $6. And then over here, oh, they have dishes with the little truck on there. So they have a serving tray, they have a bowl, another oval serving tray, and some more things to match. And then I found over here, they have the table runner. And then they have the placemats that match for $2.50. I was here on Monday and I didn't see these, and they were pulling more stuff out of the truck. So I think I'm going to pick up 2 more of these little dish towels with the little red truck on them. Now these dish towels are $6, and you do get 2 of them with the little red truck on them. If you're looking for the red truck with the tree that lights up, Big Lots has them for $16. And they're advertising holiday kitchen linen pillows, $2.50 and up. Down here they have some pillows, and then they have the reindeer with the buffalo check, and those are really cute. And some more items that are down here. Let's go see what's on the next aisle. So we're now at Joann's, and let's go inside and see what we can find. So outside the store they have 70% off their wreaths, and then you have another rack of them over here. And down below, these are pretty cute. They're with the cotton. And then there's something else I found as I was walking in the front door. Let's walk over here.
We have time.
And 50% off. And I did find the little buffalo check that says Merry and Bright. So let's go ahead and walk inside and see what we can find. So I just came across these flags, and I did need one for outside, so I think I'm gonna get the one that's got the little truck on there with the dog, and they're 50% off, making them only $5. Bought these pillows, really cute. These are 50% off, and the regular price on those are $29.99, making these $15. Decided to stop at Sweet Tomatoes and get myself something for lunch, and then I'm going to hit 2 other stores. Hey guys, I'm here at Michael's, so let's go ahead and walk inside and see what they have. Hey guys, we're going into Kirklands. This is going to be our last stop for the day, so let's go inside and see what they have. Hey guys, I'm back and I can't wait to show you all the stuff I found while I was out shopping today. So let's go inside and see. I said Kirkland's was my last stop, but of course I saw Marshall's right next door, so I went ahead and walked down, and I did find something at Marshall's. Hey guys, let's go ahead and take a look inside the bags and see what I bought. I did find these little red truck paper plates with the buffalo check on them, so I thought those were cute, so I went ahead and picked them up. And I did buy the little red berries. These are going to be used on my Christmas wreaths when I make mine this year. And I did tell you guys that I was getting a 3-tray galvanized tray. So when I go ahead and start decorating that, I think I'm going to use these little white trees. They do light up, so those are pretty cute. I bought 2 of those. I have another one here. And this is going to go on my tray. This is something else I'm going to use on my tray. I thought was real cute. And I won't know until the tray comes in how many items I'll need to decorate it. I did find this little, this is the flag. And I think it says Home for the Holidays with the little red truck on it. So I went ahead and picked that up, but I also found another flag at Kirkland's that I'll show you. And I think I like that one better. Here's this one from Kirkland's that I bought. Anyways, I probably should take it out of the wrapper so you guys can see it. But it's got the little initial M, and then it has the red truck with the green tree on there, and it has little red balls on it, so I think that's real cute. Now my last stop, which I said I was only going to go to Kirkland's, but I ended up at Marshall's, and I couldn't resist these cute red little truck pillows. And these are pretty big, and I got these for, I believe $16.99, so I got 2 of those, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I may put them on my bench out front, I'm not sure. And then, like I said, the first store I went to was back to Big Lots. Now, I was there on Monday, and so I want to see what else they had. I did find little napkins, and these were $3.50. And then I found the plates, and I thought these were cute, but I think I like these. Not really sure because napkins match, and then on these I wasn't able to find the napkins to match these. Picked up another candle with the little red truck on. Well, I had one more bag that was out there in my kitchen, so this came from Michael's and I almost forgot about. But most of this stuff is going to be used on the tray that I'm getting in the mail. So I have the little red truck that I found. Here are these, they're really cute, little deer. And I think, I'm not sure, I got black and red. So I got a black one, there's a red one. And I got a couple more. And then the other thing that I did find, and this is all gonna be for my 3-tier tray. I found the little tree. So I thought the little tree was cute. So hopefully this stuff will work on my tray when it comes in. Hope you guys all had fun shopping with me today. I really had a great time and I found some really nice stuff. Until next time, happy decorating!